cube of a number. In the yesterday's class, we discussed till the square of a number. Let us complete some more concepts related to how to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number. Yesterday we discussed to find the square of a number, we used a plus b whole square. Similarly, to find the cube of a number, we will use a plus b whole cube, which stands for a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Yesterday we spent time in discussing what is the importance of slash. A is there in the tens place, so it will become 10a plus b whole cube. Yesterday I explained to you in detail. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square plus b cube. Please do not change the order of A. Do not change the order of A. Degree of A should decrease by 1. Proposed by a famous mathematician, Pascal. Proposed by a famous mathematician, Pascal. How to find the cube of a number. Same thing for this. There is a what if. Please write down this concept. What if A is 10 power k? What if A is 10 power k? What if A is 10 power k? If A is nearer to 10 power k, very important logic will come into picture. How to find the cube of a number? How to find the cube of a number? How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k? How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k? Very important. Used extensively in arithmetic. How to find the cube of a number? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What if A is power of 10, 100, 1000 and everything? So this will be optimized to b plus x power 3, b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. B is power of 10. Last two places should take k digits. Last two places should take k digits. It can be used to find 102 cube, 996 cube, 998 cube, 1004 cube and so on. Suppose if there is an increment of 4% on first year, on 100 there is an increment of 104. Like that 3 years it has happened. 104 into 104 into 104. You can solve this problem. This is a generic logic. This is a generic technique. This is a generic technique. This is a specific technique. The second one is used. To find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Second one is used to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Generic technique as well as optimized technique. Now this is a theory part. Again I am explaining. Suppose 12 is there. I kept a slash here. 1 is there in the tens place. So it is 1 into 10 plus 2. Every place b cube unit digit, a cube entire the remaining part. How to find the cube of a number? A plus b power 3. To find the square we did a plus b whole square. To find the cube we will do a plus b power 3. To find the nth power we will do a plus b power n. To find the nth power we will do a plus b power n. Now let us do one by one. What is the concept that is used to solve both the problems? A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the same expansion, we are going to use it. So a is 3 and b is 2. Here also a is 4 and b is 1. Some practice questions. Practice questions. To all the enrolled students who joined the Telegram group, yesterday I kept a book, Arthur Benjamin's book on mental calculation. Very good book for the students who probably think that they are not good in mathematics. They can start with the fundamentals. A is 3 and B is 2. Let us do one by one. First is a cube, next is 3a square b, and the next one is 3ab square, and the last one is 2 cube, and the last one is 2 cube. 3 cube is 27, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. A plus B whole cube is A cube, 3A square B, 3AB square and B cube. A value is 3 and B value it is 2. A is 3. 3 cube 27. 9 6 are 54. 9 4s are 36 and it is 8. Write down only the unit digit 8. 36 unit digit is 6. 3 carried. 54 plus 3, 57. Write down unit digit 7, 5 carried. 27 plus 5 is 32. This is how one finds the cube of a number. A plus B whole cube is A cube, 3A square B, 3AB square and B cube. Very, very easy approach. What if the number of digits becomes from 2 digits to 3 digits? That we will discuss in the next slide. 41 whole cube. This becomes A cube. Next is 3A square B. Next will become 3AB square. And the final value will become B cube. 4 cube is 64. 16 3s are 48. 4 3s are 12. And this is 1. And this is 1. Till here it is clear, right? Write down 1. 12 2, 1 carried, 14 9, 9, 4 carried, 6 8, 9 2, 1. 41 whole cube, value is 6 8, 9 2, 1 and 32 whole cube, value is 32768. 32768. I hope these two questions have given an understanding of how to apply A plus B whole cube to find the cube of a number. To find the cube of a number. These two slides will give an application of how to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. If b is of the form 10 power k, if b is of the form 10 power k, last two places can take only k digits. Listen carefully to this approach. This approach is extremely important for us to be used in arithmetic. Easy question on the left hand side. A new learning from 25th question. 104 power 3. Is it just greater than 100? Yes. It is 100 plus 4 power 3. It is 100 plus 4 power 3. B plus x power 3. So this will become b plus 3x. B plus 3x. Next it is 3x square. And next it is x cube. X cube. What we will do is now see here, sir. B plus 3x. Three x square and x cube. So this will become 1 1 2. 16 3s are 48. 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64. 100 is 10 square. Last two places should have two digits. 64 and then 48. As it is, write down. Answer is 1124864. Answer is 1124864. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 1124864. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 92 cube. This is a very good question. It is 100 minus 8 power 3. 100 minus 8 power 3. So this will become b plus 3x. b plus 3x. Next it is 3x square. Next it is x cube. It is x cube. 100 minus 24. 76. 64 3s are 192. Minus 8 cube. It is minus 512. It is minus 512. Now if you see here, this is a positive number. Whenever you are cubing a positive number, you will never get a negative number. So take a carry. Suppose if I take a carry 1 on base 100, 100 minus 512, negative. 200 minus 512, negative. 300 minus 512, negative. 400 minus 512, negative. 500 minus 512, negative. So the carry cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Carry has to be 6. Carry is not always 1. 600 minus 512, 88. 6 taken out, it is 186 and it is 76. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 88. 86. 1 carried. 77. Answer is 778688. Answer is 778688. Again I am repeating. B plus 3x. 3x square and x cube. 100 minus 24. 76. 64 3s are 192. Minus 512. If I take a carry 1 on 100 is 100. 100 minus 512 is negative. 200 minus 512 negative. 300 minus 512 negative. 400 minus 512 negative. 500 minus 512 negative. 600 minus 512 is 88. 192, 6 is carried. Remaining is 186. 100 is 10 square. Last two places it should take only 2 digits. 88, 86. 1 carried. It is 77. It is 77. I hope the idea it is clear. We did the cube of two numbers. What we'll do is, just to make ourselves comfortable, let us do one more problem. Third one and fourth one. Third one and fourth one. Both will make it little 990. 996 whole cube we will do. And 1002 whole cube we will do. So that we will be very comfortable with our calculations. 1002 whole cube and 996 whole cube. So these defined as 1000 plus 2 power 3. 1000 plus 2 power 3. B plus x. B plus x power 3. B plus 3x. B plus 3x. Next 3x square. Next x cube. 1006. 4 3s are 12. 2 cube it is 8. 2 cube it is 8. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 8 in 3 digits 008. 12 in 3 digits 012. And these 1006. 1006 012. 008. There is a reason why I kept this question, just to explain this particular last two steps. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits should be there. 8 in 3 digits 008. 12 in 3 digits 012. Remaining it is 1006. 1006 012 008. Why these zeros came into picture? I hope the idea it is clear. 10 power k. If the power of 10 is k, last two places k digits. 008, it is 3 digits. 012 also, it is 3 digits. 996. 1000 minus 4 power 3. Minus 4 power 3. So these defined as b plus 3x. 1000 plus 3 into minus 4. 1000 plus 3 into minus 4. Next it is 3x square. Next it is x cube. Next it is cube. 1000 plus 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4 square and minus 4 cube. 1000 minus 12, 988. 16 threes are 48. Minus 4 cube, minus 64. Minus 64. 1 carried. 1 carried on a base 1000. 1000 minus 64, 936. 48, 1 carried. It is 47 in 3 digits, 047. Remaining it is 988. Remaining it is 988. Answer for this question is 988 047 936. Again I am explaining. Every example, one concept it will teach you. 1 carried. 1 on a base 1000. 1000 minus 64 is 936. 48, 1 carried. Pending it is 47. Because it is 10 power 3, last two places 3 digits. 47 in 3 digits is 047. 1000 minus 64 is 936. 988 047 936. 988 047 936. I hope the idea it is clear. Now once you understand this one, I think this question is also very easy to solve. 998 whole cube. 998 whole cube is 1000 minus 2 power 3. So these defined as b plus 3x. Next it is 3x square. And the next one is x cube. X cube. 1000 minus 6. 994. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Take a carry 1. 1 on 1000. 1000 minus 8. 992. 12 1 carried 11. And this is 944. Remember 1000 is 10 power 3. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 992 3 digits. 11 in a 3 digits is 011. 11 in 3 digits is 011. I hope the idea it is clear. We have done how many problems of the form? How to find the cube of a number? We did it for 32 cube and 41 cube. Suppose if the question is 351 cube, I'll just give an idea. Ideally, we will use a digital sum to solve. A is 35, a cube. Next is 3a square b. Next is 3ab square. And the next one is b cube. Like we did it for a square of a 3-digit number, 2 digits plus 1 digit. Here also do the same process. But we will do the reverse gear approach if answer options are there. If answer options are there. 2 problems we did it. Now the question is how to square root of 3249. Square root of 3249. Now see here. We are doing a concept. Finding the square root of a. Finding the square root of a perfect square. Finding the square root of a perfect square. Finding the square root of a perfect square. How will you come to know whether a number is a perfect square or not? There are many ways. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square will always be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. A perfect square digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. So if it is, suppose if it is root of 3149, definitely we would have said that it is not a perfect square. Why? Because the digital sum is 8. Why? Because the digital sum is 8. How to find the square root of a perfect square? Very, very easy logic. Already we discussed. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Just by looking at a question, you will get these answer. What are the last two digits of these number? 49. 7 square is 49. What will be the next numbers? 51 7 square, 43 square, 67 square, 93 square, 93 square. 50 minus 7, 43. 50 plus 7, 57 square. 100 minus 7, 93. Now if you see here, just by sheer observation, you will do the answer. How we will do this answer? Now see here. 43 square. 43 square is less than 45 square. 45 into 45 is 2025. It cannot be the answer. 93 square is greater than 90 square. It cannot be the answer. So answer for this question is 57. Answer for this question is 57. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. 7 square it is 49. 50 minus 7 square. 50 plus 7 square. 100 minus 7 square. 43 square is 43. In fact, you don't need to do 45 also. 43 square is less than 50 square, 2500. It is there in the range of 3000. This cannot be, this cannot be. It has to be the answer. So root of 57 square. Answer is 57. Answer is 57. Now we will do 5 to 6 problems. How to find out the square root of square root of two problems. One is a perfect square. One is a perfect square. All the problems we will do. Then we will also do how to find out the square root of a non-perfect square. Square root of a perfect square we will do, and how to find out the square root of a non-perfect square we will do. A perfect square, there are various ways to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. Square root of 82, 81. Second one, square root of 1,444. Third one, square root of 1681. So let me take some other number. 81 we already took. 81 letters we have already taken. Square root of, suppose for example, 3721 we will take. Square root of 9025 we will take. Square root of 2916 we will take. 2916. Square root of 8281, square root of 1,444, square root of 3721, square root of 9025, square root of 2916. What is the logic we will use? X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, or 100 plus or minus x whole square. 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Only attack the last two digits. 81. 81. One by one, each problem I will solve it. 9 square, it is 81. What are the other numbers? 50 minus 9. 50 plus 9. 100 minus 9, which is 91 square. this cannot be, because it is there in the range 8000. 91 square is greater than 90 square. So the only probable answer is 91. Only probable answer is 91. First question, I hope it is clear. 1444. Only attack the last two digits. 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12 square, 50 plus 12 square, and 100 minus 12 square. 100 minus 12 square. 100 minus 12 square. Just by looking at the question itself, 60 square is 3600. It is greater than this number. So answer for this question is 38. I hope the idea it is clear. Root of 3721. 21. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. 50 plus 11. 50 minus 11. 100 minus 11. 100 minus 11. 50 plus 11. 50 minus 11. 100 minus 11. These, just by looking at a question, 3700. These not possible value. 60 square is 3600. Answer is 61. Answer is 61. 9025. 5 square is 25. All the values will have 25. 15 square to 25. 9025. Now if you see, 90 square is 8100. This number is greater than 8100. Answer is 95. Answer is 95. Idea clear? 5 square is 25. So for 5, 50 plus or minus any number ending with 5 on square, I will have 25 at the end. 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1025. So that is the reason I took this example. So that concept does not only that numbers, for some more numbers also it will be there. X is any number other than 5, that concept or values will come. Here some other extra will come. Square root of 2916. 2916. 4 square it is 16. 4 square it is 16. So 50 minus 4. 50 plus 4. 100 minus 4. 50 minus 4, 50 plus 4, and 100 minus 4. Now see here, this is a very high value. 50 square is 2400. Answer is 54. Answer is 54. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. How to find the square root of a perfect square? What is the logic which I used here? X square. 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits is same. A non-perfect square. How will you determine a non-perfect square? A non-perfect square. Now see here. Always has a digital sum. A non-perfect square always has a digital sum. 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. A perfect square will always have digital sum. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Remaining will make it into non-perfect square. A perfect square always has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. A non-perfect square always has a digital sum 2, 3, 5, 6 or 8. For example, if the question is 23, 2 plus 3, 5, non-perfect square. If the question is 96, 9 plus 6, 15, it is a non-perfect square. Suppose if it is 125, 125, digital sum is 8, it is a non-perfect square. It is a non-perfect square. Completely, there is one video which is available, how to find the approximate value. 40 minutes I have spent time on this concept, approximate value of non-perfect nth power. With the proof I have given, it is available in Anil Nair classes channel or in RYP channel. You can refer the complete proof also, the concept which I am going to use. Square root of 23, square root of 96 and square root of 125. Approximate value of a non-perfect nth power. How I did it? It is a very simple logic. If it is root 23, please go back and check this video. Whenever you are going through this video, please pause it here, go back and check it in ANC channel or in RYP channel, learn the concept and come back. Root 23, it is greater than root 16. So answer will be 4 plus 23, 16, it is 9. Double this value, 9 by 8. Double this value, 16 and 23 and 16, difference is 7. So answer is closer to 4, 7 by 8. Answer is closer to 4, 7 by 8. Why that doubling of this value got? I gave a proof. In case if it is not clear, just don't hesitate to WhatsApp me to ask the doubts from the concepts that we discussed. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find the square root of a perfect square we discussed. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. Already we did it. These 91. Please write down a concept. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Finding the number of digits. 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 For first one, square root of a perfect square. Square root of a perfect square. Second one, cube root of a perfect cube. These kind of questions are also being asked in your examinations. How to find the number of digits in the answer for the square root of perfect square? The second concept is cube root of perfect cube. Cube root of perfect cube. Cube root of perfect cube. Now see here. Cube root of perfect cube. Just give me few seconds, sir. I hope till now it is clear. It is strongly recommended for any student to watch this video and complete watching this video as early as possible before the next class begins. How to find the number of digits for square root of perfect square, cube root of perfect cube. Now see here. Root of 80 to 81. Square root of 38, 44. Square root of, for example, 984, 064. Square root of, one more example. For example, 10404. 10404. He is not asking you the answer. He is asking you how many digits are there in the square root of this number. How many digits are there in the square root of this number? Step number 1. Listen carefully, sir. Because I am finding the square root, start from rightmost. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep a slash after 2 digits. How many groups of maximum 2 digits I got? 81 is a group of 2 digits. 82 is a group of 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Start from rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits. Keep a line. Take a group of 2 digits. Maximum group of 2 digits. Maximum group of 2 digits. Answer has 2 digits. Answer has 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. One group of 2 digits. If there are only one digit, add 0 at the beginning. One group, one group. Answer will have 3 digits. Answer will have 3 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Last question, if you see, start from rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits. 0, 4, 1 digit, 0, 4, another digit, 1 can be written as 0, 1. Last one answer is 3 digits. In case if you want to check, these 102, these 992, and these 62, and these 91. Number of digits are matching with the answer. How to find out the number of digits for a perfect square? Start from rightmost, take a group of 2 digits and add them. Take a group of 2 digits and check how many such groups are there and add them. Suppose if it is perfect cube, cube the root of 2744, cube the root of 13824, cube the root of 1012, 048, 064. All these numbers are perfect cubes. All these numbers are perfect cubes. How to find the cube root of a perfect cube? Cube the root of 2744, cube the root of 13824, cube the root of 1012, 048, 064. If it is a perfect cube, take a group of 3 digits. How many such groups of 3 digits are there? 2 is a single digit. You can write it as 002. 2 digits. One group, another group. 2 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. One can be written as 001. Answer will have how many digits? 4 digits. Answer will have 4 digits. If it is a perfect square, start from a rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits from right to left. If it is a perfect cube, take a group of 3 digits from right to left. If it is fourth power, take a group of 4 digits. These is nothing but 14. If you solve these 1024 and these 1004, all are matching. All are matching. If it is a square root of a perfect square, take a group of 2 digits and check how many such groups are there. If the number of digits are less than 2, prefix 0 at the end. Prefix 0 at the end. How to find the number of digits for the square root of a perfect square, cube root of a perfect cube? Anyway, if it is a non-perfect square, it will give an approximate value. Approximate values can be truncated, so you might not be able to say exact value. Same is the case for a non-perfect cube. Same is the case for a